Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode these secrets hidden in plain sight within company filings, and let's just say Cboe Global Markets might be dropping some fireworks on their earnings report fireworks that might just be exploding in their faces. Today we're diving into Cboe Global Markets' latest report, fresh off the digital press. Forget the jargon and fancy charts for a moment. We're here to break down what this really means for the company and for you. It's all about understanding the real story behind the numbers, and sometimes that story is a little wild. So on August 1st, Cboe Global Markets put out their report covering their performance up to June 30th this year. This isn't just a simple update. It's a peek behind the curtain at how one of the major players in the financial markets is doing. Now, keep in mind, Cboe is the company behind the tickers you see flying across your screens. The exchanges where stocks trade. Their performance directly impacts how buying and selling happens for millions. The meat of this report is all about their results and financial health. Think of it as a doctor's report for the company's financial body. What's healthy, what's not, and what might need some attention. They've attached their press release, which is essentially their official announcement of how they did this quarter. This is where they highlight the good news and try to frame everything in the best possible light. And the person signing off on this is Jill M. Graymo, who holds the important title of Executive Vice President and Chief Financial Officer. She's the one saying, yes, these numbers are correct and this is our official word. So what's the crucial financial story here? Well, this report doesn't give us a deep dive into specific numbers line by line in this particular filing. It's more of an announcement that they have released their results. The actual financial tables, the nitty-gritty numbers that tell us if they're making money, losing money, or just treading water, are in that attached press release Exhibit 99.1. Think of it this way. This Form 8K is like a courier delivering a very important package. The package itself is the press release with all the financial details. While this filing confirms the delivery, the real value is inside that package. What we can infer is that their financial results for the quarter are being announced today. The market will be watching closely to see if they met expectations, whether their income is growing, and how their expenses are managed. Now, we don't have the detailed financial tables right here in this document to pick apart specific percentage changes or revenue figures. That information is in the press release referenced as Exhibit 99.1. However, the very act of filing an 8K with this item indicates that Cboe Global Markets is communicating significant financial information to the public. This is typically where you'd find details on revenue, net income, earnings per share, and other key performance indicators. Investors and analysts will be scrutinizing those figures from the press release to assess the company's performance against previous periods and against broader market trends. Without those specific numbers from the press release, it's hard for us to do a direct Warren Buffett style analysis of their financial health right now. What we can say is that Cboe operates in a high-stakes, fast-paced environment. Exchange operators like Cboe thrive on trading volumes, the fees they generate from transactions, and their ability to innovate with new products and services like options and futures. The story here for this specific filing is that Cboe is reporting, they're telling the world, here's how we did for the quarter. The real narrative, the ups and downs, the successes and challenges is contained within that reference press release. We would need to see that document to analyze their revenue growth, their cost management, their profitability, and how these factors stack up against competitors in the exchange space. Are they expanding their market share? Are they facing increased competition that's eating into their profits? Are their new product launches performing well? These are the kinds of questions that would be answered by looking at the detailed financial statements. For us as observers on Corporate Decoder, this filing is a signal. It means significant financial news is out. It's our cue to go find that press release and dig into the numbers. So looking at the broader picture, Cboe Global Markets is a critical piece of the financial infrastructure. Their success is tied to the overall health of the markets they serve. If trading volumes are high, that's generally good for them. If market volatility is up, that can also lead to increased trading activity and consequently higher revenue. However, they also face challenges. The world of financial exchanges is constantly evolving, with new technologies and new players emerging. Staying ahead requires significant investment in technology and a keen understanding of market dynamics. From a strategic standpoint, Cboe has been focused on expanding its product offerings beyond traditional equities and options, moving into areas like cryptocurrency trading and data services. This diversification is a way to reduce reliance on any single market segment and capture new growth opportunities. Now, to wrap up our initial look at this filing, while this document itself is short and points us to another source for the financial details, it signifies a moment of accountability for Cboe Global Markets. They've released their performance report. Our decoder rings are now pointed at Exhibit 99-1, ready to sift through those essential financial figures. What's your take on Cboe's role in the market and what you hope to see in upcoming financial reports? Let me know in the comments below. If this quick decode was helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives into corporate filings. And don't forget to join our growing community on Discord, linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.